In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload video to Canva. If you are creating a design and want to include motion, uploading a video to Canva is a simple way to bring your project to life. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact process from opening your project to placing your video on the Canva. First, open your project in Canva. You can either start a new design or open an existing one that you are already working on. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace because the video will be added to this specific project. When you have your project open, you are ready for the next step. Next, look at the left-hand toolbar and select Uploads. This is where Canva keeps the options related to bringing your own media into the editor. You will usually see Uploads as a clear section on that left side, and selecting it is what tells Canva that you want to add a file from your device. Go ahead and click Upload so you can see the upload controls. Now, click Upload Files. This button is the entry point for adding a video from your computer or from a connected device. After you click Upload Files, Canva will prompt you to choose a file. Select your video from your computer or device using the file picker that appears on your screen. It can be helpful to pause here and confirm you chose the correct file because selecting the right video now saves time later. Once you have chosen the video, the upload will begin. Give Canva a moment to finish uploading the file. The time it takes can vary depending on the size of the video and your internet connection. During this step, it is best to avoid refreshing or switching away from the tab, since that can interrupt the upload. When you see that the upload has completed, you will typically be able to see your video appear within the uploads area. After the upload is complete, drag and drop the video onto your Canva. This is the step where the video becomes part of your design layout.
Select the Mac
Return your
version.
attention to the main editing area where your canvas is visible. Locate the uploaded video from the upload section, then click and drag it into the canvas. As you move it over the canvas, Canva will show placement as the video readies to be added to your project. At this point, you may notice that the video is positioned on the page and you can adjust it as needed. If the video is too large or too small, you can resize it within the canvas. You can also move it to the location that fits your layout. Taking a moment to place it correctly helps your design look intentional and polished. Once your video is on the canvas, you are ready to continue editing or customizing your project. You can layer other elements around it, adjust spacing, and fine-tune how the video fits with the rest of your design. If your goal is a presentation, social media post, or promotional graphic with motion, this is the foundation you need that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.